In today's episode, we're exploring a fascinating development that has the potential to significantly boost the price of Ripple's native token, XRP. Ripple has unveiled a new banking strategy that could send XRP skyrocketing to the $4 mark, a milestone that many investors have been eagerly awaiting. But what exactly is driving this optimism? Let's delve into the details, explore the technical analysis, and discuss what the future might hold for XRP. Over the past few weeks, XRP has been in a bit of a slump with its price sliding lower. However, this downward trend isn't necessarily a cause for concern. In fact, many analysts view this as a bullish pattern that could precede a significant breakout. If you're familiar with technical analysis, you know that patterns like these often act as a precursor to a strong upward move, especially when supported by positive fundamental developments. So what's brewing beneath the surface that has the potential to turn XRP's fortunes around? The answer lies in Ripple's strategic maneuvers in the banking sector, which could be a game changer not just for XRP, but for the entire financial ecosystem. On August 30th, Ripple released a highly anticipated white paper that has generated a lot of buzz in the crypto community. This document outlines Ripple's ambitious plan to partner with small banks, a move that could have far-reaching implications for the financial industry. While Ripple has long been known for its innovative approach to payments and blockchain technology, this new strategy takes things to a whole new level. Here's a closer look at how Ripple plans to revolutionize the banking sector. One of the cornerstones of Ripple's strategy is to bring its real-time gross settlement system (RTGS) and blockchain technology to small banks. This system is designed to process payments at lightning speed, far outpacing traditional banking systems. In a world where time is money, the ability to execute transactions quickly and efficiently is a significant competitive advantage. For small banks, which often struggle to keep up with larger institutions, Ripple's technology could be a lifeline. Another critical aspect of Ripple's strategy is the elimination of intermediaries in the payment process. By cutting out the middlemen, Ripple's technology can drastically reduce transaction costs and fees. Ripple understands that no two banks are the same, which is why it offers custom-tailored solutions that cater to the specific needs of small financial institutions. Using products like XRapid and Xcurrent, Ripple can provide these banks with the tools they need to compete with larger players. Whether it's streamlining cross-border payments or improving liquidity management, Ripple's solutions are designed to meet the unique challenges faced by small banks. At the heart of Ripple's strategy is its on-demand liquidity ODL service, which uses XRP to facilitate real-time cross-border payments. By partnering with small banks, Ripple can increase the demand for XRP, driving up its value. ODL is particularly valuable for banks operating in regions with limited access to liquidity, as it allows them to settle transactions instantly without the need for pre-funded accounts. Ripple has already begun implementing this strategy by forming partnerships with banks in Southeast Asia and the Middle East. These regions are home to some of the world's fastest-growing economies, and Ripple's technology could play a pivotal role in their continued development. If successful, these partnerships could serve as a model for other small banks around the world, leading to broader adoption of Ripple's technology and, by extension, XRP. While Ripple's new banking strategy is certainly exciting, it's not the only factor that could drive XRP's price higher. The ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is another critical element in this equation. As many of you know, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple in December 2020, alleging that XRP was an unregistered security. This lawsuit has been a significant source of uncertainty for Ripple and its investors, casting a shadow over the company's operations. However, there has been a significant development in this case that could turn the tide in Ripple's favor. On August 7th, the court ruled in favor of Ripple, stating that XRP is not a security when sold on secondary markets. This ruling was a major victory for Ripple, as it effectively cleared the company of the most damaging allegations. But the legal battle isn't over just yet. The SEC has 60 days from the ruling to file an appeal, which means the deadline is October 7th. If the SEC does not file an appeal by then, the lawsuit will be officially closed, removing a major source of uncertainty for XRP. What makes this ruling particularly significant is its potential impact on the broader crypto market. If the courts continue to rule that cryptocurrencies like XRP are not securities, It could set a precedent that benefits the entire industry. The expert attorney Bill Morgan has analyzed the recent court rulings in the Ripple case and another involving the exchange Kraken. He suggests that the courts are unlikely to consider crypto assets as securities in the future, reducing the likelihood of the SEC appealing the decision. This legal clarity could be a positive signal for XRP holders and the crypto market as a whole. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's turn our attention to the technicals. Since July, XRP has formed 3 lower highs and lower lows, which suggests that the token is in a falling wedge setup. For those unfamiliar with technical analysis, a falling wedge is a bullish pattern that typically precedes a breakout. When the price breaks above the upper trend line of the wedge, it often results in a strong upward move. This isn't the first time XRP has formed such a pattern. In late 2019 and mid-2020, XRP also entered a falling wedge formation. After breaking out of the wedge, XRP experienced an incredible 742% rally, reaching a local top of $1.96. This historical precedent suggests that a similar move could be on the horizon in 2024. But why hasn't XRP rallied yet, despite the favorable outcome of the SEC lawsuit? The answer lies in market sentiment. While the lawsuit's conclusion was undoubtedly positive for Ripple, investors may have been waiting for additional confirmation before committing to large positions. This is where Ripple's new banking strategy comes into play. With this strategy now in full swing, the odds of a breakout have improved significantly. If XRP follows a similar trajectory to the 2019 to 2020 rally, we could see a 600% increase in price, bringing XRP to the $4 level, a new all-time high. While this might sound ambitious, it's important to remember that XRP has a history of making massive moves in short periods. Given the right conditions, a rally of this magnitude is certainly within the realm of possibility. Another factor that adds credibility to this bullish outlook is the behavior of XRP whales, large investors holding between 100K and 10 XRP tokens. Whale activity is often seen as a leading indicator of price movements, as these large holders typically have access to better information and resources. In the past, whales have been known to accumulate XRP just before a major rally. This was the case in 2020, when whales began buying XRP in large quantities ahead of the 742% rally. Today, we're seeing a similar trend with whales once again accumulating XRP. This suggests that these investors are confident in XRP's future prospects and are positioning themselves for a potential breakout. Whale accumulation is a strong signal for retail investors to pay attention to. When large players start building positions, it often means that something big is on the horizon. If history is any guide, this could be a sign that XRP is gearing up for a major move. While the outlook for XRP is overwhelmingly positive, it's essential to consider the risks. As with any investment, there are no guarantees, and the crypto market is notoriously volatile. If XRP fails to break out of the falling wedge and instead breaches the $0.522 support level, it would create a lower low. This development could invalidate the bullish thesis and lead to a 26% decline, bringing the price down to the lower limit of the wedge at $0.382. In summary, Ripple's new banking strategy, combined with the favorable outcome of the SEC lawsuit, has created a perfect storm for XRP. The technical setup is bullish, whale accumulation is strong, and the potential for a breakout is high. If everything aligns, we could see XRP reach $4, setting a new all-time high. However, as with any investment, there are risks involved. It's crucial to stay informed, conduct thorough research, and make decisions based on both fundamental and technical analysis. While the future looks bright for XRP, it's always wise to approach the market with caution and a well-thought-out strategy.